Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Atlantis 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Brougham build. In the last video we installed the windshield, and in this video we're going to install the rear glass this time. So we're going to go ahead and get out our clear parts cement and window maker, and we shall glue this back window on. Before I get that, I want to just check with this. I might apply this to the window itself. It's got that nice big area here. I can get the glue around, and then I can just plop it into place right there like that. I'll probably do a spot in the middle and then the ends again, like I did with the windshield, to prevent myself from getting glue everywhere. But that's the approach we're going to take, and then I'll put the top on it again to line everything up. Oh, that's excessive. We aren't going to need that much for sure. Kind of wasted a bit. But I'll make sure I don't have any on my fingers. And we'll tip the glass over and get some on the here. And we'll just... It's kind of runny, so... That's better. That's too bad I wasted all that. Then we'll get some on the edge here. Maybe. There we go. Like so. And we'll get that out of the way so we don't get it in the way here. Anytime I gotta get serious, I take my glasses off. I'm gonna try to hopefully just land it in the right spot. Drop it down and slide it back like that. And it is on and in place. Now we will get the top and kind of line it up again. Like we did with the windshield. And I will let that sit and dry. Like that. Until it is dry. But since I went ahead and made a mess on our foam board sticker there, I think I'm going to try to put the side glass onto the side of the windshield while I'm at it. So I will go get that. These two pieces right here. And I'm kind of hanging out. So, you know, I don't know if I'm going to want to do that. It's kind of a shame doing a really short video, but then again, I am going to have to get these on right, I'm going to have to pop that top off. Because I believe we're going to want those dry and in place before we actually glue the top on. That'll kind of blend everything together. I'd rather have a little bit of glue on the tops of these side vent windows, helping hold the top, and it'll help those side glass pieces give them a little extra adhesion. So, and again, if you didn't see the other video, there's a little bit of a gap here on the front. And what I plan on doing there is just taking some bare metal foil and just covering that up is what I'm going to do with bare metal foil. I may try to do a little bit of glue on that part, but we'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But that is the rear glass in. We'll let that dry really well. And in the next video, we'll put the side glass in. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. We'll see you guys next time.